Let's explore how gym equipment, designed to help people stay fit and healthy, is made in the factory. The manufacturing process of much gym equipment starts with high-quality MS steel section pipes and other metal parts. Next, the MS steel section pipes are cut to the perfect size using a metal cutting machine. After cutting, the pipe is bent using a bending machine. Here, the pipes are precision drilled. After that, various parts of the equipment are welded together. Now, all parts of the equipment are placed together. After assembling, the curl wire is installed in the machine. At this stage, all remaining parts of equipment are screwed and attached together. Now, the handle of the machine is welded and placed on it. After that, the comfortable seat and handrest are prepared. Next, the machine is reassembled and all the measurements are carefully checked. Here, the seat is inspected and both the seat and handrest are placed. Now we can see this biceps machine is tested. One of the final processes is powder coating, which is done to protect the machine's parts, and then it is sent for the heating process. Here, all the parts are ready, and with the final assembly, this biceps machine is ready to use. This factory makes many different types of gym equipment.